Recording.
Okay. Okay, we're recording a tractor pull. We're gonna see how they go. Go. Do it. Do it. Car's shut off in neutral, and we're gonna apply pressure. Here we go. And we're going. And we're seeing how she's pulling up the hill. Doing all right. Yes. We're gonna try it. We're going up an incline now, and it's bucking and rolling. We're rolling. Let's do this. I'd like to slam on the brake right now, but I can't, so I won't. So we're trying to give it a go at. Just pulling up the hill. We're in neutral. We're gonna get ready to snort. Front tires are coming off the tractor. Now. We're backing up. All right. Gonna try it again? Try it again. We're gonna try it again. Yep. Easy does it, Dennis. Something's smoking off the tractor. Something's fucked up. There.
Belt came off.
We're putting her in park and we're shutting her down. Over and out. When it's, Dennis,
Yeah.
when it starts jumping up the front end,
Yeah.
stop. You're gonna fucking come right back. There's no wheelie bars on it, so you just shut it off.
Alright.
It's gonna hurt.
Yeah. I can see that happening.
Are you unhooking it?
Yeah.
Okay. So see how this turned out. The neighbors are looking at us like we're fucking idiots, but anyways. So we're gonna start the car back up and put her back in drag. Oh, it was in park. Fucking thing is not working right. Anyways. Driver. And we're shutting her down. Park we go. That was awesome. She's pulling.
Did you grab Bentley, man? Yeah. Here, there's a can of beer.
Not mine. It's our house. Here. I didn't even shut it off.
Oh.
Play of course.